Oh.
So kind of you. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl.
I can't believe this is inside.
Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the brunch to the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'm an ice both of y'all.
Welcome back to the channel. Shakes here. It's been a while. It's been a long time. I've been really, I wouldn't say going through some things, but like pushing myself a lot in my personal life. I just needed to lock in on me, still locking in on me. Since the last video, I have embarked on a long distance relationship, and I have had like a temporary like job and then went back to my old jobs. It's just been like a lot of like emotional back and forth. It's been like only a month, and I literally have gone through so many changes. I've learned a lot about myself, and I feel like I'm on a journey of regulating my own emotions, which makes me feel really happy. I have to start getting ready. It's my first trip seeing my boyfriend. We haven't seen each other in like 30 days. We're meeting in Nashville, so I am like almost about ready. I have all of his stuff packed. Just need to get like my toiletries and things. I need to shave. Seems like Target, it has a monopoly on this one. Flamingo. Does anyone know where else I can find the Flamingo refills? Would love not to shop at Target, but had to go to Target. She's right up the street. I've been up since about like 6 a.m. I spent the morning really just cleaning and reset. My bedroom was like so in shambles, and I feel like that is the telltale sign that I'm not doing okay. I have like just clothes everywhere. I'm just like sleeping with the clothes, you know, pushing them, putting them in a basket, putting them to the side. Oh, I'll do it tomorrow. I just didn't want to come back to that environment, so I wanted to take time to really get everything cleaned. But now we need to get ready, get dressed. I'm gonna pick up the rental car from the airport. On the way there, I need to somehow be able to add my name to the reservation so I can check us in. Then pick up Kyle from the airport. We're going to a concert. I'm so excited. So I just got to my boyfriend's place, waiting for the Uber to pull up. We are headed to the airport to get a rental car so we can get started on our journey. I'm so hungry, hoping that this goes by fast.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the brunch to the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Resky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty.
I have the President Circle benefit, so I just need to see what car we want to pick. It's always a hassle with good old Hertz, but let's see. Do you want a little? I think I want a little sedan. This is the car I chose. It's a Buick something Spinster. I don't know. I have to look it up. But been loving a gray moment for a car. It's very spacious. It's essentially the same car, but in black. Let's head back home so we can get on the road. I've made it to Nashville. I am unable to check in right now. My partner's flight is delayed, and I'm just like, I really don't know what I'm about to do. Shout out to my mom for having the bright idea to just go to the counter. Didn't think that was gonna work, but it did. We're here in the room. Let me give you a quick tour before I start getting ready. Getting ready for something. I don't know what for. So we have this open concept bathroom, walk-in shower. Here's the rest of the room, king size bed. It is definitely like a low platform, bed, but she's cute. Open closet here. And then a little office space over here with the bedside table. And we opted for the garden view, which I feel like you'll be able to see a little bit better tomorrow. But it looks really magical. Travel fit. I am wearing my Hoka's North Face pants, really cute. Wearing my aloe top. I'll link all these things down below. Let's get dressed.
How many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love.
This is the finished look. I'm gonna put on these cream boots from Kalia to just like round it out. I have like my normal jewelry and some rings, my favorite everyday hoops, took our pin curls down. I'm feeling really good. I feel like I look cute. I'm excited to see my boyfriend. You probably won't see any more of me tonight because they're gonna take our phones and everything. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We're here at Buttermilk Ranch in Nashville. Here we go to the table. Everything is coming out so fast. The sausage balls. You just like dunked it in. That's good. This is probably fire. And we can save it. This is the Dirty South fried rice. Something.
Yes, it is. Place?
Yeah.
Girl, you ain't got nothing. It don't have nothing on Colorado.
We're here at La La Land. It's very crowded. We're in a very long line, but they have some really cute branding. I'm excited. Girl, we did. I can't believe this is inside. How pretty is this one? We are back in the room. Many beverages later, taking a little nap before our dinner reservations at the Cat Bird Seat which we've been trying to go to since 2020, which I'm very excited about. I loved the La La Land coffee place. It was super cute. The drinks are really good. We had a great time. It was a cute little area. Feeling very bloated right now. I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear the outfit I had planned for tonight, so we'll be improvising. But this is a very beautiful hotel. Hope you have gotten to see some of the greenery and foliage from our walk through the property, but highly recommend. This is the Gaylord Hotel at Opryland, I think. Very successful excursion so far.
Let's try it. Yeah, I feel like at this point we need a signal where you're like coming over.
This is her hootie hoo right now. She's hanging down and she's about to bring
It was a long day. It was a long day. How did that do? Like,
Amazing.
fantastic, right?
Yeah.
That's my
Oh.
so kind of you.
It's easy to grab.
Somebody's showing off.
Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes to do this. You got it.
Don't mess with my man.
Oh, so the clan so far, I think like still. The clan chocolate.
We are here at the Cheekwood Botanical Gardens. They have a little harvest situation.
Now they wanna listen to us draw the sea. Freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me. Rush, baby, just like Kamora Lee. So pretty, girl, you belong in the gallery. What's your fantasy?
Hey y'all, checking in. We are on a journey. We just got back from driving all over Nashville. Shout out to Kyle for driving us around. We are going to find the Sound Waves, which is a water park inside of the Gaylord. They close at 8, and so we haven't been able to even like look at it, so we're just gonna go and just show you guys what it looks like and also see it for ourselves. And we have our little wristbands. This has definitely been like a food tour. Every time it's time to be big bags.
Big back activity.
I don't need a lot to get poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out your choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bitch, you might be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You don't see on me, always so they know.
Y'all, it smells like the purest chlorine I have ever smelled. Wristband. Thank you.
When you alone, all I ever asked was you show me some love, kisses, and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I ain't never wanted you to stay. Just wanted you to show.
My favorite part about this hotel is the menagerie, the indoor menagerie. Just like so many plants and foliage, and it's just makes you feel like you're in a different place.
Hey guys, welcome to the last day of our Nashville adventure. We just finished our hot chicken tour. We tried to wrap it up at 400 degrees, but 400 degrees is on fall break. We are going back to Prince's and then potentially Opry Mills Mall. We had such a phenomenal stay at Gaylord Opryland. Absolutely beautiful in there. Kyle is leaving, going back to Colorado. I have to drive myself home, pump my own gas. It's been nice back in my passenger Princess era, but we're headed back to Prince's for a little hot chicken on the way back. That was definitely like the best. Maybe we'll try some sides this time, even though girl on TikTok said everything was terrible, but I could use a little sweet tea right now. So just wanted to give a little update. Let's enjoy this scenic drive to Prince's Hot Chicken Shack.
When I grab you with the job, I know get time, I